Welcome back to the Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services channel where financial literacy meets empowerment. Today, we're diving into the essentials of the Roth IRA for 2025. If you're seeking tax-free growth and flexibility in your retirement planning, this is one account you absolutely need to understand. So, what exactly is a Roth IRA? It's a retirement savings account that you fund with after-tax dollars. This means you won't receive a tax deduction when you contribute, but the beauty lies in how your money grows tax-free. Plus, when you make qualified withdrawals in retirement, those funds are also tax-free. It's a win-win for your future. Now, let's talk about the contribution limits for 2025. If you're under age 50, you can contribute up to $7,000. If you're 50 or older, you can take advantage of a $1,000 catch-up contribution, bringing your total to $8,000. It's a fantastic opportunity to boost your retirement savings. However, it's important to note that your ability to contribute depends on your modified adjusted gross income (MAGI). Be sure to check the income limits for 2025 to see where you stand. So, why should you choose a Roth IRA? There are several compelling reasons. You'll enjoy tax-free withdrawals in retirement. There are no required minimum distributions, RMDs, during your lifetime, and you can withdraw your contributions anytime without facing taxes or penalties. This makes it especially advantageous for younger earners who anticipate being in a higher tax bracket later on. Don't forget about the contribution deadline. You can contribute to your Roth IRA for 2025 until April 15, 2026. Mark your calendars. If you find that your income is too high to contribute directly to a Roth IRA, don't worry. You can still access Roth benefits through a strategy known as the backdoor Roth IRA. Here's how it works. First, contribute to a non-deductible traditional IRA, and then convert it to a Roth IRA. Just keep in mind the pro rata rule if you have other pre-tax IRA balances. Need help planning your retirement strategy? Let Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services guide you through the process. Call us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com for expert support tailored to your needs. If this video helped you understand Roth IRAs for 2025, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing it with your community. Remember, financial empowerment starts with knowledge, and we're here to deliver it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.